All right, guys. All right. How's everybody doing today? Everybody doing all right? Just wanted to do a quick little video here. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com, located here at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. We are built by the Amish and shipped nationwide. As you can see, some of y'all that are regular watchers of my show, you guys might notice something new in my cabin. And that is this lovely wood stove here, this beautiful wood burning stove. Now, as long as I've had this business and this channel, I would say one of the most requested things that we get as far as these cabins go is inquiries about, hey, do you all offer wood stoves with your cabins? And until now, we've always said, no, we do not. But we got reached out to and collaborated with this particular brand that does these lovely wood burning stoves. And when they brought over some samples for us to see the quality and the craftsmanship, guys, look at that. We just had to go in cahoots with them and start offering you guys wood stoves. So again, we're going to offer these in all different shapes and sizes, but we do have two models. One has been placed here as a model in our big BERTHA 3.0, and then we have a larger one actually that has been placed in our big BERTHA 1.0 rustic cabin, which I will show you in another video. Okay, so these wood burning stoves are awesome. This particular model can heat up to 1,800 square feet. Okay, so for example, this big BERTHA is 1,050 square foot of livable space. So this bad boy right here is more than beefy enough to handle heating up this whole cabin. Okay, so what's neat with this particular model is you got your cooking plate. It's like a cook stove too. So here you got your wood that goes in there. And then over here, you got your cook stove steel plate that you can just literally cook your eggs, your bacon. Everything can be cooked right on top of that. And you can actually take this off, and inside here, this is your kind of like your warmer. So if you got bread and things of that nature you want to keep warm, the pipe inside there keeps this nice and warm to where you can keep everything warmed up inside the warmer. And you could do your cooking on the cook stove right over here. So really, really beautiful wood stove. And again, these aren't on the website yet, but they will be by this time next week. So be on the lookout for these beautiful wood stoves that we're now going to be offering. Again, this is American-made steel, y'all. This is American-made steel. Y'all, most of y'all know that follow my show, we are based out of Indiana, and one of the really neat things with these wood stoves is the steel that is used to produce them is actually made right here in Indiana. So we're talking American-made steel, made right, produced, the steel is produced right in Gary, Indiana. So just a couple hours away from where I'm at in Scottsburg. Again, American-made steel, painstakingly handcrafted. Okay, there's something odds like 800 pieces that it takes to put this steel wood stove together, and it's just beautiful. And like I said, it's got the cook stove on top, you got your wood burning stove on the bottom, and then you got your warmer right over here. And underneath this plate, let me see if I can show you real quick. This thing is heavy. Let me set this over here. Underneath that plate is your cook stove, where you can literally, let me see if I remember. He trained me how to do this, so let me see if I can do this with one hand. Where you can literally, I got this special tool here. See if I can do this real quick. Where you lift this up And you see that there? You can literally put your kettle on top of that, or if you want the flames to hit the kettle or the pot to where it gets hotter faster, you can literally take that metal piece off and the flame will touch underneath the pot and get everything warmed up faster. So again, just a beautiful cook stove, and comes with this little tool here to kind of manipulate all that, and that goes right back up here. There you go. And then you got your plate here. It's hard to do this with one hand because this sucker's heavy. Oh boy, I don't want to break nothing. You really can't, this thing's all steel. So there you go. That goes back on there like that, and now you got your cook stove back. So again, whether you're looking for a beautiful cabin or a wood stove with a cook stove on top, guys, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. It's funny because we actually just got the wood stove installed in the cabin just yesterday, and we're already speaking to a sweet lady from Alaska who actually is placing an order for this particular model already right here. So we just got it on the channel, guys, and people see the quality and the craftsmanship of it, and we're already starting to get orders for these beautiful wood stoves. Now remember, there you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door, and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back. And she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay. Huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath, as you can see here. But most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2-bed, 2-bath, or a 2-bed, 1.5-bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs, where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's say you all are looking for a shipping container home. This is the one we call the Black Beauty. I'm going to start over here in the bedroom. This shipping container home, as you can see, lots of natural light coming in. This shipping container home is a 8-foot in width by 40-foot long, and it's got the 9-foot walls on it. Okay, so it's an 8 by 40 with the 9-foot walls. You got your combination washer and dryer connection there. You got your remote control there for your mini split. This comes with the one mini split for heating and cooling. Got a queen size bed here. Inside this little closet, little cupboard, you got your tankless water heater for your instant hot water, right? Obviously in these smaller modular cabins and modular shipping container homes, you don't want to put a big old 40-gallon water heater here. That's going to take up a lot of very important space. And then get the beautiful LVP floors, and you of course got your barn doors here for privacy into your bedroom. So let me step back so you can see that. So you got your barn doors there for privacy. Open that up. Again, you got multiple windows here for natural light. Got like a little living room here. Remember, this is just a studio. So for those of you all out there that got a family of 5 or 6, talking about, oh, that's too small for me. This ain't meant for a family of 5 or 6, y'all. This is just meant for, a lot of people buying this, they buy them for like what we call granny pods, to where mama and papa, mom and dad, they're getting older, and you want to keep them out of the old folks' home. So you put them in one of these, right, in the backyard. That way they can still maintain their integrity and independence, and you keep them out of the old folks' home. So a lot of people are buying these for those. We also have a lot of investors that buy these, and they'll buy 5 or 6 of them and put them out on their land and rent them out as Airbnbs and VRBOs, because come to find out, people actually really like kind of staying in shipping container homes, okay, for like a little Airbnb type of thing. This one comes with your stove, refrigerator, microwave. You got a 4-burner induction stove. That's one of them flat electric stoves. Got a nice little sink here. You look out on your land. Okay, when you do some cleaning, all kinds of cabinet space. And then you see the theme over here. Well, before we go in there, there's your front door. There's your little Mr. Cool thermostat to control your heating and cooling over there. Okay, you got your lights up there. Again, you got the barn door here where, see what I'm saying? For privacy when you're handling your business, all kinds of space there on the commode to handle your business. Sink, there you go. And of course, this got a stand-up shower in it, walk-in shower, but you are welcome if you want for us to put a tub in it. As you can see, there's all kind of room next to the toilet. If you want a tub instead of a walk-in shower, we can do that. So this one is called the Black Beauty Shipping Container Home. It is fully insulated, ready to go. This one can be moved into today. So let me walk outside real quick and show you what the outside of it looks like. So again, this is a 8-foot by 40-foot with 9-foot walls shipping container home. You see they got the door welded shut here.